Hi, welcome back on the Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add VPN in your Windows 11. So to do this operation, click here, search on the down, write the settings, click on it, and there is a network and internet here. As you see, we have a VPN option here, so click on it. And here you can add a VPN connection. So add the VPN, and there is a name of the connection. Write the server of that, the VPN type automatically, or choice whatever you want from here. You can type async up to info. So from the username, write your username, write the password, and save it. Yep, that was your VPN. So after that, you can connect it and be connected by the VPN from the internet in your Windows 11. So that's it about the VPN. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.